Timetables. The Timetables module is only accessible for the administrator to upload, but it's visible to the teachers, the parents, and the students. So for the administrator to get started, you're going to log in, click on the academic link, and then click on the link that says Timetables. If you've never uploaded a timetable, click on the top right-hand button that says Add a Timetable. You now have the ability to give it a name. So I'm going to call this the Sharks class timetable for term 1. I'm going to add it to my Sharks class. So only the parents and the teachers and students within that class will see it. It's within the class timetable drop down. I'm going to select the file. And then if you want to hide it from the parents and the students, you would turn that on, but I want to have it visible. So I'm going to click Upload. So there it is. Let's just check it out quick. Cool, I'm happy with that. If you made a mistake, you could always delete it. I'm going to switch across to the parent portal to show you what they see. So we're going to click on Timetables. I'm now logged in as a parent, and I can see who's uploaded it, when it was uploaded, which category it falls under, and I can view it. Let's do one more quickly. Academic, Timetables, click on Add a Timetable. This time I want to upload the summer sport timetable. I'm going to choose the Sharks class. I'm going to choose the file, so it's the sports timetable. There we go. And then click Upload. Make sure it's a small file. If it's kind of over 1 megabyte or 2 megabytes, like this file is as an example, it's going to take longer to upload it and longer for the parents to view it. So if I go now into the teacher portal, and I click on Academic and I click on Timetables, I'm going to see that sports timetable load. So make it fairly low resolution and it'll just load a lot faster. If you've got any questions, please email support@childcloud.co.za.